Alright, got everything welded like I wanted it. Got 2 legs off there with that horizontal support, and then got 1 leg that goes all the way to the bottom. With the horizontal support, and then 1 leg that goes all the way to the bottom with the horizontal support. Alright, I got this side welded and got the supports welded down there too. And then down there you can still see I've got this track to put on there. I'm going to cut it back a little bit further and then weld the track to it. But this time the track won't have all the support. The actual 2x2 and the flat's going to have all the support as far as metallurgy wise, and then once I put that concrete in there, then that'll form fit to the holes and add all the support that we really need. So we'll finish that weld up there, then we'll mix the concrete and pour it in,